Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips Evnia 32M2N8800 gaming monitor. So friend, Philips has announced 31.5-inch 4K QD-OLED display in its offer, 240 Hz refresh rate and certified by VESA Display HDR True Black 400 and clear MR 13000, and it features a 10-bit panel, 0.03 ms grade-to-grade response time, 99% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, and the monitor include various gaming features such as a crosshair and multiple game mode setting, along with support for picture-by-picture and picture-in-picture mode. And for connectivity ports include DisplayPort 1.4, two HDMI 2.1 port, and additionally it has a built-in 3.2 Gen 1 hub with two USB Type-A port, one of which support USB battery charging 1.2, delivering 5 watt at up to 1.5 ampere. And there is also 3.5 mm audio output jack, and the display is equipped with Philips Ambiglow LED backlighting on all four sides. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.